Students, today we are going to see our next chapter, that is surprise birthday party. Look at the pictures, listen and read. So you have to look at the pictures within the video, and I will read the lesson. There was a monkey named Manku. Okay, there was one Manku. There was a one monkey named as Manku. Manku lived in a cave. Manku lived in a cave. Here you can see in the picture, Manku lived in this cave. A duck, a lake was near the cave. Ducky the drake and his sister Lucky lived in the lake. Okay, Jean and Ginny, the cranes, lived near the lake. In this cave, Manku the monkey lived, and near the cave there was one lake, and Ducky the drake and his sister Lucky lived in the lake. Means in the lake, two ducks were living there, Ducky the drake and his sister Lucky, and two cranes were there, Jean and Jenny. Two cranes were there, Jean and Jenny. Okay. All of them were Manku's friends. They loved to play together. All of them were Manku's friends, means Manku, Jean, Jenny, Ducky and Lucky were all friends and they loved to play together. One day, Manku became very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Why Manku was happy? Because tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Sunday is Manku's birthday. Ducky, Lucky, Jean and Jenny will come to say happy birthday, said Manku. Means Manku was happy because of his birthday, and one more thing, because his friends like Ducky, Lucky, Jean and Jenny will come and say happy birthday Manku, and everyone loves their birthday like you. And Manku was also happy. Soon it was Sunday. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours, but no one came. So he felt very sad. Manku मंकू वेटेड फॉर आवर्स एंड आवर्स, मीन्स वो घंटों तक वेट करता रहा, लेकिन कोई भी उसको बर्थडे विश करने के लिए आया नहीं उसके पास. वो वेट कर रहा था कि डक्की, लक्की, जीन, जेनी अभी आएंगे और मुझे हैप्पी बर्थडे मंकू ऐसा कहेंगे, लेकिन कोई नहीं आया. सो ही फेल्ट वेरी सैड. ही वॉज वेरी सैड. मंकू वेंट टू द लेक but no one was there. As you can see, Manku is sitting very sad, and then he decided to went to the lake. Means वो लेक पे गया देखने के लिए, बट नो वन वॉज देयर. कोई भी लेक पे था नहीं. सो सैडली मंकू केम बैक टू हिज केव. नाउ अगेन मंकू केम बैक टू हिज केव. वो अपने घर, जो केव थी उसकी, उस पे आ गया वो एकदम दुखी होके. मंकू वॉज सरप्राइज टू सी द केक ऑन द टेबल. अब मंकू क्या देखता है? एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, इन हिज केव ऑन द टेबल केक इज देयर. ओके, एंड बलून्स आर देयर. मीन्स वो अपने केव के अंदर टेबल पे केक रख के देख के बहुत सरप्राइज होता है कि ये केक किसने रखा. वाओ, अ केक, सेड मंकू. Manku said, wow, a cake. Ducky, Lucky, Jean and Jenny came out and shouted, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manku, said Ducky, Lucky, Jean and Jenny. And they came out of the cave and shouted like this and sing the happy birthday song. We were waiting to give you a surprise, all said. Means they all are waiting for Manku to give a surprise to him. I baked cake for you, said Jean. Jean, what did Jean the crane does? She baked the cake for Manku. I bought you some grapes, said Jeannie. Jeannie bought some grapes for Manku. And we have made this table for you, said Ducky and Lucky. Ducky and Lucky had made table for Manku, and Jeannie bought some grapes for Manku, and Jean baked a cake for Manku. Now, it's really a surprise for me. Thanks, my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all, said Manku. Then they all danced together, as you can see in this picture. Means it was a surprise birthday party for Manku from his friends, that is Ducky, Lucky, Jean and Jenny. And Manku said, it's really a surprise for me. Thanks my dear friends, you all are really great. I love you all, said Manku, and they all danced together. As you can see, they are all dancing together. This was the story, a surprise birthday party, and I am going to provide you uh, pictures along with this video, and you have to write the question answers in your notebook. So now we will see our next chapter, that is this the next poem, an action song. Okay, unit number 4, an action song. So here you can do the activities while watching the video. Stand up first of all, everyone. Students, stand up on your place. Now touch your head. As you can see in this picture, the girl is touching her head. So touch your head. Then touch your toes. Touch your head. Touch your toes. Shut your eyes and pull your nose. Do the pictures like the pictures. Touch your head and touch your toes. Shut your eyes and pull your nose. Touch your head and touch your toes. Shut your eyes and pull your nose. Clap your hands and turn around. Clap your hands and turn around. Jump up high and sit on the ground. Jump up high and sit on the ground. So this was an action song. Touch your head and touch your toes. Shut your eyes and pull your nose. Clap your hands and turn around. Jump up high and sit on the ground. So I will read the poem again, and you have to do activities. I will read slowly. An action song. Touch your head. You have to touch your head, okay? एंड टच योर टोज. जैसा जैसा मैं आपको करने के लिए कहूँगी आपको करना है. ये एक्टिविटी है, आपकी पोयम आपको करनी है. टच योर हेड एंड टच योर टोज. शट योर आईज एंड पुल योर नोज. क्लैप योर हैंड्स एंड टर्न अराउंड. जंप अप हाई and sit on the ground. So this was the poem and action song. Hope you have done the activity while watching the video. Now we will see our third chapter of this video, that is Sunny and Minnie. Okay, Sunny and Minnie. It was Sunday morning. Sunny was in bed. Get up, Sunny, brush your teeth, said his mother. Sunny and Minnie. So as you can see in this picture, Sunny is a boy and Minnie is a cat. Okay. So Sunny was sleeping in a Sunday morning. Everyone sleeps till late in the Sunday, on Sunday. Okay. It was Sunday morning. Sunny was in his bed and his mother said to him to get up and brush his teeth. ओके, मीन्स सुबह हो गई है, जल्दी उठो, अपने टीथ ब्रश कर लो. हाय सनी, यू आर स्टिल लेइंग इन अ बेड. In bed, get up, said Minnie. Now Minnie, the cat, comes on the window of Sunny, and she said to Sunny, "Hi Sunny, you are still laying in bed. Get up," said Minnie. Minnie said to Sunny to get up. "Hi Minnie, let's play." And Sunny said to her, "Hi Minnie, let's play. But you look so dirty. I am clean." Minnie said to Sunny that you look so dirty. I am clean. And so what? Let's play, Minnie. And Sunny is still saying to her, so what? Let's play. क्या हो गया फिर? मैं थोड़ा dirty दिख रहा हूँ तो चलो फिर भी खेलते हैं. Come on, Sunny. You look yourself in the mirror. मीन्स मिनी उसको बोलती है, तुम अपने आप को देखो, तुम कैसे लग रहे हो, थोड़ा साफ सुथरा, थोड़ा ब्रश करके, नहा धो के, चाय नाश्ता करके फिर खेलेंगे. सो सनी सेड, ओके आई विल. योर टीथ आर येलो, योर माउथ इज स्टिकी, योर हेयर इज मेसी. मिनी सेज टू सनी दैट योर टीथ आर येलो. मीन्स उसने ब्रश नहीं किया है इसलिए उसके टीथ कैसे लग रहे हैं? येलो. और योर माउथ इज स्टिकी. और उसके मुंह से बांस आ रही है क्योंकि उसने अभी तक ब्रश नहीं किया, फ्रेश नहीं हुआ है. योर हेयर आर मेसी, और उसके बाल खराब हो गए. यस, आई एम लुकिंग वेरी अगली, एंड ही वॉज लुकिंग वेरी अगली बिकॉज he was not ready yet. I like clean friends. Clean yourself and let's go to play. Minnie said to Sunny, let clean yourself first of all and then we will go to play. Yes, I will be right back, said Sunny to Minnie that I will be right back. Means मैं अभी आया तैयार होके. Wow, Sunny, you are looking neat and tidy. As you can see in this pictures, that Sunny is brushing his teeth, Sunny is taking bath, Sunny is wearing clean clothes, new clothes, and Sunny is combing his hair. And now Minnie says to Sunny, wow Sunny, you are looking neat and tidy. Let's play. Now Minnie herself is saying that let's play. Thank you. Thank you, Minnie. Let's play and enjoy Sunday. Minnie and Sunny are playing with each other. Now, when Sunny is ready, Minnie and Sunny are playing with each other. Both are clean. Okay. So you should be whether it is Sunday, Monday, or any day. You should be clean, tidy. Okay, so I will give you some pictures along with this video, and you have to write it in your notebook and complete your homework. Thank you.